Hello, friend. Trust you all are doing good. As maximum of you are aware of the fact that I keep on traveling and go to a lot of tracks, and sometimes it becomes very difficult and challenging to carry a lot of stuff along and to keep those stuff organized on your bulky bags and backpacks. So to get rid of this challenge and my problem, I was searching online for a compact travel kit and I came across this website shunyam.org which have this very cute little travel kit that you can carry along, and it is one of the sustainable travel kit. Why it is sustainable? I'm just going to open it and show you what all elements it have. Okay, so first item in it has this bamboo toothbrush. Then we have this tongue cleaner. Next in the kit is the neem comb. Then we have this toothpaste tablets, one handmade Upton soap bar, and this small shampoo bar. And all this come in this cute unrefined cotton pouch. Now I need not to carry the bulky shampoo bottle, my plastic toothpaste, you can say, and the soap bars. All I can carry these small items, travel kit, sustainable travel kit from the shunyam.org in my backpack. So I tell you how to use this toothpaste tablets. You just have to take one or two tablets in your mouth and brush normally. Just wet your toothbrush from with water and just do your brushing as regular. These tablets are capable of generating a lot of foam and lather, which is necessary for your brushing your teeth on regular basis. So this will replace your bulky toothpaste tube that, and you can easily carry in your pocket or in your pouch or your backpack. डू यू रिमेंबर कि आपका जो फर्स्ट टूथपेस्ट था वो आज किस स्टेट में होगा? आई टेल यू, आई स्वेर यू, वो अभी तक डिकम्पोज नहीं हुआ है, बिकॉज एक प्लास्टिक टूथपेस्ट जो आपने बचपन में यूज़ किया था वो आज तक कहीं ना कहीं दुनिया के कोने में अभी भी पड़ा है, बिकॉज 500 ईयर्स लगते हैं किसी भी एक प्लास्टिक ऐसे एलिमेंट को डिकम्पोज होने में. सो आई एम स्विचिंग टू दिस सस्टेनेबल travel kit in 2024. What you are waiting for? Just go and log in and visit their website shunyam.org. There are a lot of other products as well apart from this travel kit. They have the uh, hair care products, body care products, gift boxes, and more in the travel essential category.